Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from YouthBuddy. Dear students, working professionals, gamers, content creators, laptop users, and all the young sharp minds tuning in. If you are someone who faces laptop problems during online classes, meetings, gaming, editing work, or important tasks, this is especially for you. Nowadays, laptops are part of our daily life. But the frustration starts when they suddenly stop working properly. Sometimes it won't turn on. Sometimes the battery won't charge. The screen may go black. Or the laptop becomes extremely slow. And honestly, many people get confused because these issues seem technical and complicated at first. Some users panic, while others try random fixes without understanding the real problem. But the good thing is, many common laptop issues can actually be solved with a few simple troubleshooting steps. Here's something helpful for you: laptop troubleshooting tips and tricks, information from YouthBuddy. To explore this, visit the technology section on the YouthBuddy website. Open troubleshooting option under the computers category and select laptop on that page. This topic covers simple and practical solutions for common laptop problems like power issues, overheating, slow performance, display errors, internet connectivity, sound problems, storage issues, software crashes, virus protection, and basic maintenance tips. Now let's quickly understand how you can use this information step by step. First, always identify the exact issue before trying any solution. If the laptop is not turning on, check whether the charger is connected properly and try another power outlet. You can also remove the battery if possible. Press and hold the power button for around 30 seconds and restart the laptop again. Sometimes this simple reset solves temporary power issues. Next, if the battery is not charging, make sure the charger is not loose or damaged. Updating battery drivers and calibrating the battery can also help fix charging percentage problems. Then, for black screen or display issues, try increasing the brightness using function keys or connect the laptop to an external monitor. If the external display works normally, the issue may be related to the laptop screen or graphics hardware. For slow performance, open Task Manager and disable unnecessary startup programs running in the background. Cleaning temporary files and freeing space from the C drive can improve responsiveness. And if your laptop still feels outdated, upgrading from an HDD to an SSD can make a major difference in speed. After that, overheating is another common issue many users ignore. Dust inside cooling vents blocks airflow and increases temperature. Cleaning the vents carefully and using a cooling pad can help reduce heating and fan noise. Also check for apps consuming high CPU power and close unnecessary tasks. Now coming to connectivity problems. If Wi-Fi stops working, restart both the router and laptop first. Forget the network and reconnect again. Updating network drivers can also solve many internet issues. For Bluetooth problems, turning Bluetooth off and on, removing the paired device, and reconnecting it usually works. If Windows fails to boot properly, safe mode and startup repair options can help recover the system. And for blue screen errors, checking driver updates and memory problems becomes very important. Finally, regular maintenance matters a lot. Keeping the laptop clean, updating software regularly, scanning for malware, and backing up important files can prevent many future problems before they even happen. One useful feature of this information is that it explains troubleshooting methods in a very beginner-friendly and practical way. Another helpful thing is that it also explains when professional repair support is necessary, especially in cases like hardware damage, water spills, or failing storage drives. So instead of getting stressed whenever your laptop shows a problem, learning a few basic troubleshooting methods can really save your time, money, and effort. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the technology section on the YouthBuddy website and open troubleshooting under computers category, then select laptop. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from YouthBuddy, signing off.